Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to my channel, Fishing Around Colorado Springs. This is part of my camping video segment. And I gotta tell you, I've really struggled with getting my refrigerator and my pop-up camper to run properly. And I wanted to show you exactly how the refrigerator operates. So you pull these little knobs out and it should come right out here. These are the main controls right here. You have your gas control right here, or if you're just going to run your refrigerator off of propane, right beside it, this green button, and you flip it on, this is for 120 volt. This is when you're hooked up to a campground via their electricity. And the red switch right here is your 12 volts, which is if you're going to run your refrigerator solely off your battery. I don't really recommend that because it's going to drain your battery pretty quickly. So let's get a little bit of a deeper dive into how to get this going. Right up here you have your temperature control. I have it set to 7. And if you're going to run solely off of propane, you're going to turn this knob to high and you have to hold it down and you press this little red button at least a half a dozen times. And you're gonna hear a little whoosh of the propane igniting, and that's right over here in this area. To know if your propane is on, there's a little peephole right here that you can look through to see if you can see a flame running. Now it's a blue flame, so it's really hard to see, but if you need to, keep trying, and eventually this right here is going to get really hot. So you can also put your hand here to see if it's on when it starts getting warm. So it really is basic for how to operate your refrigerator for a pop-up camper or any kind of camper that has this type of system. It's super easy. Couple things you need to know. Off of propane, it will take your fridge like 12 to 24 hours to cool down. So be patient with that. Maybe put some dry ice in your fridge to help cool it down, but be careful of the dry ice, it can burn your fingers. Also, make sure that your camper is really nice and level. If you don't have it almost perfectly level, it can really mess up your refrigerator. So make sure that it's level. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope this instructional video has helped you out. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications, and you have yourself an amazing time camping.